Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete shortcuts in iPhone. So if you created some shortcuts on your iPhone and now it is time for you to delete all these shortcuts, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. There are two things involved when you want to delete shortcuts in iPhone. You first need to delete the shortcut command in the shortcuts app and then come to your iPhone app screen or home screen, then delete the shortcut bookmark. So here I'll walk you through the two approaches. So the first approach is go ahead, open the shortcuts application on your iPhone. Once opened, then locate the shortcut you want to delete. Let's say this particular shortcut under all shortcuts. Press and hold it. Then you should see the shortcut menu pops. On the shortcut menu, locate and click on delete. Then super that says this shortcut will be deleted from all of your iCloud devices. Go ahead and click on delete. Repeat this again on all other shortcuts you want to delete. Press and hold the shortcut, click on delete, and then tap delete shortcut. Once you've deleted the shortcut from the shortcut application, then come back to your iPhone home screen, locate the app on the app menu, press and hold the application, then you should say delete bookmark. Select that, then click on delete. This is going to delete the app shortcut bookmark on your iPhone. So you want to repeat this on all the shortcuts bookmark you want to delete. And once you are done deleting them, then you are good. So that's exactly how to delete shortcuts in iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.